Welcome back again to a series of videos using Excel to produce summary tables, charts, pivot tables, everything you can think of for statistics. In this particular video, what we're doing is coming up with a time series chart, and there are a lot of gotchas within Excel producing your horizontal axis being dates. So that's a problem, and let me show you why it's a problem. If you highlight all your data, come up to Insert, pick the line chart, first one in the list, you'll see that what Excel does is it comes up with 1 through 20, not the years. And it also comes up with two different chart lines. So this is a problem. What it tries to automatically do is wrong. And it comes up with year and home runs both on the chart, and then just puts in a random 1 through 20 for the rows that you're dealing with there. You have 20 values, so it just puts 1 through 20. So I'm going to get rid of that and show you how I go about creating a line series plot from scratch based upon this data and showing the years as our x-axis values. So I'm going to click off to not have anything highlighted. I'm going to go up to Insert. I'm just going to insert chart with no data highlighted this time. Pick the line chart. You'll notice it's blank. We're building this from the ground up. We did not highlight any data, so it didn't have any data to play with, so it doesn't produce anything essentially right now. What we have to do is pick the data that it's going to work with. Right-click anywhere. Right-click. You should see Select Data in the list. You may have to right-click different parts of this chart to make it come up, but you want to see Select Data and choose that. Now you're going to see this pop up for selecting the source. We're going to click Add, which is going to get us one of the lines on the chart. The series name I'm going to call Home Runs. The series values are going to be clicking on that button on the right. I'm going to highlight all the home run raw data, just the numbers, not the heading. Then click on the button on the end. You see in the background it's actually producing a single line chart now of the home run data. Click OK. Now you're seeing the 1 through 20 sitting over here. That's what Excel does when it doesn't know what to do with those dates. So I'm going to click Edit over here. Click the little button on the end that will allow me to highlight it with my mouse, all the values. Highlight the years and come back and hit OK. Now you'll notice on the chart in the background here we have the years. We're just going to hit OK. We might have to shorten it up a little bit to fit in the box. Alright, so now we have home runs by the years from 1990 to 2009. Everything looks copacetic. So the whole trick to getting Excel to do what you want it to do for date-driven horizontal x-axis values is don't highlight the data first. Go ahead and just insert a chart. It's a blank chart. Select your data and select what the values are going to be. You're essentially forcing it to do what you want it to do. This is the time series chart. The data came from the book called Essentials of Statistics by Mario Triola. And don't forget to take a look at all the other videos in the series.